We are approaching the AI singularity moment predicted by Ray Kurzweil. Similar to the atomic bomb explosion, if it falls below a certain critical value, nothing will happen. But once it exceeds a certain value, it will quickly explode, just like the Big Bang singularity in the universe. AI is currently like immigrants who have just set foot on the new world, and its rapid development has raised a worrying viewpoint. AI may make indigenous humans become useless in the future, thereby creating the so-called useless class. At present, the public holds a certain position in society, mainly based on the social value they create. Everyone contributes their own strength to the operation and development of society through labor, innovation, and other means. However, once AI becomes highly developed, many jobs that were originally undertaken by humans will be replaced by intelligent machines, and people's importance to society will significantly decrease. The organizational structure will become increasingly flattened, and the position of the top management will remain stable, but the role of middle management will be significantly compressed, as many reporting, budgeting, and assessment tasks that were originally undertaken by middle management will be completed by AI. At that time, people cannot help but ask, can the public still maintain their current social status? The shaking of this status may trigger a series of social problems, such as further widening of the wealth gap and exacerbation of social stratification. Faced with this challenge, some people have proposed the idea of universal basic income or universal basic services. Under the capitalist system, a universal basic income means that everyone, regardless of whether they are working or not, can receive a certain level of living security. Under the communist system, basic services for all emphasize the provision of free public services to meet people's basic living needs. Both of these solutions attempt to safeguard the basic rights and interests of human beings in the era of AI and avoid serious social division and turmoil. But they also face many challenges, such as sources of funding and how to prevent people from losing their motivation to work. Looking back at human history, we can see that human attitudes towards other organisms have changed with changes in social forms. In hunting and gathering societies, human survival largely depends on other animals, so people uphold the concept of animism and regard animals as deities. In agricultural societies, humans began to raise and exploit animals, and the belief system gradually became dominated by humans and gods, depriving animals of their divinity. In addition, humans often refer to other races as beasts or barbarians first, and then treat them in the same way they treat beasts. Nowadays, humanists born out of the technological revolution worship humans themselves, and even gods are gradually marginalized. However, with the rise of AI, we should perhaps begin to understand and sympathize with the situations that other animals have experienced, because in the near future, AI may treat us humans in the same way. This is not only a prediction for the future, but also a reflection on our current behavior. We must consider how to ensure that the development of AI does not lead to the devaluation of humanity itself, while maintaining the value of humanity while improving efficiency. I am Wu Huaiyu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University, and the founder of AI philosophy.